Hello, I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd. I'm running a day late because of Easter. I had a bunch of family in and we had a lot of good times over the weekend, so I was busy with that. A good busy. So today, normally I like to make these weekly predictions on a Monday, but it'll come on Tuesday this week. In the pipeline are two videos. One will be an unboxing video of 4 different 1/43rd scale die-cast items I bought from a seller in France who I really like. This is my 4th sizable purchase from them. And the second video this week will be the Plasticville Switch Tower that I added a platform around using sheet plastic and styrene. That's going to be sort of not really a train station, but some sort of unloading platform for my cliffside railway display. Those are my 2 things this week. I hope to get them both finished before Sunday. That's my goal. So fingers crossed I will get busy and get those done. I'll see you in the next video. So have a good week. Bye-bye.